Welcome the our channel. Today we how to verify Instagram business account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your Instagram business account, first, ensure you have a business account set up. If you haven't already done so, switch your personal account to a business account in the settings. Once your business account is set up, complete your profile by adding a profile photo, bio, and website link. Next, ensure you are complying with Instagram's terms of service and community guidelines. Keep your account active by regularly posting content and engaging with your followers. To start the verification process, navigate to your profile and tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select Settings at the bottom of the menu that appears. In the Settings menu, tap on Account to proceed. From there, scroll down and select Request Verification. You will be prompted to fill out a form with necessary details. Enter your account name, account category, and any relevant business or organization name. Submit a scan of your business registration documents or an official government-issued ID. Ensure that your documents clearly display your business name and address. After submitting your request, wait for Instagram to review your application. This process can take a few days, so be patient during the waiting period. Once your application is reviewed, you will receive a notification regarding the outcome. If you are verified, a blue check mark will appear next to your account name. If your request is denied, you may reapply after 30 days. Make sure to continue improving your account's authenticity and engagement during this time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.